Okay, so I'm going to attempt to change the frame on my tiny whip for the very first time. I have no idea what I'm doing. So it looks like I need to take off these little rubber band things first. Look like orthodontic rubber bands. There's one. Two. Three. Four. I'm guessing I should probably take the canopy off too. I got this little motor removal tool and I have no clue how to use it at all. So the props are supposed to go inwards. So if that goes like that, this one should go in and should go right here. Even in the middle. And it just goes on there.
That's it.
Okay. And then this one would go this way.
Yep.
Why doesn't that seem like that went on there? And then these go inward too. The ones in the back go inward too, right? Someone said they sometimes will dip this a little bit in candle wax.
It's not right.
It's going in.
This is the back. That's spinning the wrong direction.
Now it goes this way.
Which is outward.
That's inward.
This
It's
is the
spinning
back.
towards the end.
It's going away. These are turning in towards the front. In towards the front. This one is now turning away from.
So they don't spin in, the back ones spin out.
It's the same thing, front and back. They spin inwards to the front and inwards to the back.
So they go opposite in the back.
They do the same thing front as they do back. They go inward.
Oh, I can't get this off now. I'm going to pry it off of there. And then you put the rubber bands back on to right there. They should make this stuff stronger. I mean, it's like everything breaks so easy.
Just put a battery in there, make sure it's spinning right.
Okay. Oh, I need to plug it in. So I'm going to test this out.
are spinning the wrong way. I guess I plugged them into the wrong.
Yeah, they said it was super important that they went back in the same way they came out.
Okay.
Okay, it's lit up.
God damn it, what the fuck? Arrgh. Turn the motors up.
I'm sorry, I turned it.
Why is that happening? Okay, so why are they all spinning off? I just switched all the fucking wires. Why would they? Oh, because they're clockwise motors, so regardless of where I plug it in, it's gonna get the same signal. Okay, so then we just need to have the props on the wrong motors, basically. Or I have the motors installed backwards, which is no big deal. We just reverse the prop direction. So we need to take these props off because the signal is going to be the same. It's not a clockwise signal, your clockwise motors. So what I did was get the motors. Well, but that's the way they were when you took it off, so evidently this thing runs reverse prop direction. Okay. Interesting. That's all we need to do. Yeah, that's a clockwise motor. Yep. Alright.
Okay.
Let me see if I can get any of these off.
You want this little tool
for
trying to get the prop off? If you need to pry it off.
Props, is it?
No, but I didn't know if you needed to try to pry it off or something.
I'll try something here.
Okay. I'm sorry, babe. This is a hassle.
No, I should have. I've just never had clock.
Work. Please, God. Please, God, work. Come on, little whip. I know you want to fly. Fly free.